Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful butterfly applique. So, for this project, I have used 4-ply milk cotton yarn and used 4 mm crochet hook, and also we need scissor, but you can use any yarn you want available at your home. So you can use this applique in anything, baby hat or in any item. So hope you will like it. Let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Then make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for the first wings. So first make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make 3 treble crochet in the center. One, two, and 3. Make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Slip stitch in the center. Now make the second one. Make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make 3 treble crochet in the center. One, two, and 3. Then make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make slip stitch in this ring. Now make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make 2 double crochet in the center. 1 and 2. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make slip stitch in the center. Make 3 chain again, 1, 2 and 3. Make 2 double crochet in the center. 1 and 2. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Slip stitch in this ring. Now give a knot and cut this extra yarn. Now pull this yarn tight little bit so you can give a knot like this, or also you can secure with needle. Now cut this yarn. So now make this middle point. So I'm using brown yarn. You can use black yarn also. So first take this yarn, first keep this yarn like this, make it little bit long to give a tie, and wrap yarn in this middle like this. Give it a little tight, wrap 2 to 4 times. So now I have already gave 4 wrap. So now cut this extra yarn, then give a tie knot, these two together like this. Then cut these two. So this is the butterfly. Thanks for watching.